share ko lang ni guys this metric conversion trick. So we will have number 1, 8 meters is to be converted to centimeters. So we will write 8 meters to the column of meters. So we have 8. And then we will write zeros up to the column of centimeters, guys, since 8 meters will be converted to centimeters. So 0, and then up to here, to the column of centimeters. So we will have 800, guys. So meaning to say that 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeters, guys. Okay, guys, so next number 2 is we have 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers is to be converted to meters. So how many meters are there in 6 kilometers? So we will write 6 in the column of kilometers. So we will have 6 here. Then we will write zeros up to meters here. Okay, guys, so 0, 0, then up to here. Okay, so we have 6,000, guys. So it means that 6 kilometers is equal to 6,000 meters. Okay, guys. Next, number 3. So 4 centimeters is to be converted to how many hectometers? So we will write 4 in the column of centimeters. So here. So 4. Then 4 centimeters is to be converted to hectometers. So we will write zeros up to the column of hectometers. So we will write zeros backward. So 0, 0, 0, then up to here in the column of hectometers. We will put a decimal point, guys, since we are writing zeros backward. Okay, guys? So the result is 4 10,000ths. Okay, so meaning to say that 4 centimeters is equal to 4 10,000th hectometer. Okay, guys, so next is number 4, 7 millimeters. So we will write 7 millimeters in the column of millimeters, since we are converting 7 millimeters to how many decimeters. Okay, guys, so we will write zeros up to the column of decimeters here. Okay, guys, so 0, then up to here in the decimeter column. Then we will put decimal point, guys, since we are writing zeros backward. Okay, so the result is 700ths. So it means that 7 millimeters is equal to 7 hundredths decimeters. Okay, guys. So next, guys, is 5 hectometers. 5 hectometers is to be converted to centimeters. So okay, guys, it's your turn to answer. Write your answer in the comment section on how many centimeters are there in 5 hectometers.